Let's understand how to multiply a binomial by a binomial. That's multiplication of two binomials together. Here we have b1, that's binomial 1, 2ab plus 3b, and b2 is the binomial 2, that is 7a plus 9. Now you have to perform b1 multiplied by b2. That is, you have to find a product of b1 and b2. So b1 multiplied by b2 means that it's 2ab plus 3b multiplied by 7a plus 9. Okay, so this 2ab is the first term of this binomial 1. Take this first term and multiply this with the first term of the second binomial. So you get 2ab multiplied by 7a. Then again take this first term and multiply this with the second term of the second binomial. So this is 2ab multiplied by 9, right? Now this plus sign here, right, plus here. Now take this second term of this first binomial and multiply this with first term of the second binomial. So this is 3b multiplied by 7a. Then again take this first term of the second term of this first binomial and multiply this with second term of second binomial. So here, now this is plus sign, so write plus here, and this is 3b multiplied by 9. Now 2 and 7, so always remember you have to group together numbers and multiply, and then you have this a and this a, so a multiplied by a, and you have b here, so write b, plus you have this 2 and you have this 9, so 2 multiplied by 9, and then you have ab, so multiplied by a multiplied by b, plus this is 3, this is 7, so 3 multiplied by 7, this is b, this is a, so b a, and this is plus 3 multiplied by 9, 3 multiplied by 9, and then you have this multiplied by b. This is 14 a squared b plus 18 ab plus 21 ba plus 27 b. Okay, this is 27 b. Now if you look at this 18ab, this term of this whole, now this is a polynomial, so this is 18ab and this is 21ba. Okay, what does 21ba mean? 21ba is actually equal to 21 multiplied by b multiplied by a, right? Can we write this as 21 multiplied by a multiplied by b? How? This is b multiplied by a, and you know that commutative property of multiplication states that if a multiplied by b, then this is equal to b multiplied by a, right? So if this is b multiplied by a, it means that it can be written as 21 multiplied by a multiplied by b, that is 21 a b. So if you write this 21ba as 14 a squared b plus 18 ab plus 21 ab plus 27 b, then if you look at these two terms of this whole polynomial, then these two terms are actually like terms. Why like terms? Because here you have ab, the algebraic factor is ab, here you have ab as the algebraic factor, a here, b here, b here, right? So you can add them together. This is 14a squared b. 18 plus 21 is 39. So 39ab plus 27b. Now, if you are thinking that can we write this as we do not change 21, we do not convert 21ba to 21ab, but can we convert 18ab to 18ba? Yes, you can. So suppose you don't change it, you simply write it as 21ba, but you decide to change this one and make this as 18ba, right? So again, if you add them together, you will get 39ba. Here you have 39ab, here you have 39ba. So both these two are actually the same, because both these two mean that 39 multiplied by a multiplied by b, and this means 39 multiplied by b multiplied by a. Doesn't matter which term you convert, you are ultimately going to get the same answer. Okay, so in this case your answer is this. Now here you have again two binomials. Binomial b1 is minus 7a minus 8b and b2 is 4a minus 3b. Like we have discussed earlier, it's always good to write them as like in this fashion. This is minus 7a, so write this as minus 7a within the bracket and plus minus 8b. It's always good practice. And this one as 4a plus minus 3b. Now you have to find b1 multiplied by b2. Okay, so b1 multiplied by b2 means that you have to multiply minus 7a plus minus 8b multiplied by 4a plus minus 3b. Okay, so if you take this term, the first term of this binomial, and multiply this with 4a, so you get minus 7a multiplied by 4a. Then you take this term again and multiply this with minus 3b, so you get, so first of all this plus sign is here, right, plus here, this is minus 7a multiplied by minus 3b, right? Then you have this plus sign here, right, plus. Now this minus 8b, that is the second term of this binomial, you multiply this with 4a, so this is minus 8b multiply this with 4a, then again this minus 8b multiply this with minus 3b. So before that, if you look here, this is plus sign, right? So plus, then minus 8b multiplied by minus 3b. Okay, now here you have minus 7 and you have this 4. So minus 7 multiplied by 4, right? Minus 7 multiplied by 4, and then you have a multiplied by a, plus sign. This is minus 7, this is minus 3, minus 7 and minus 3. So minus 7 multiplied by minus 3, then you have a, then you have b, so a and b, this plus sign. You have minus 8 and you have 4, so minus 8 multiplied by 4, then you have b and a, so b and a, plus you have minus 8 and you have minus 3, so minus 8 multiplied by minus 3, you have b and you have b, so this is b multiplied by b. Minus 7 multiplied by 4 is minus 28, this is a squared, then plus, this is minus 7 multiplied by minus 3 means 21, so 21ab, plus minus 8 multiplied by 4 is minus 32, so minus 32BA, plus minus 8 multiplied by minus 3 is 24B squared, right? Now this is minus 28A squared, and this is 21AB, and this is minus 32BA. Now if you look at these two terms, then what we have done here, right, it's exactly similar to this one. Here you have 21AB, so write 21AB. This is minus 32BA, minus 32BA. We can write this as minus 32AB, right? So outside is plus, within the bracket is minus. If you open the bracket, this becomes minus 32AB plus 24B squared. Now this is minus 28A squared, 21AB minus 32AB. So minus 32 plus 21 means that it is equal to minus 11. So this is minus 11AB, and this is plus 24B squared. Again, you can write this as minus 11BA minus 28A squared minus 11BA plus 24B squared. Both these two are exactly the same answer.